Okay, everyone, we're going to continue with lesson 10.5. At the beginning of the paper, on the very front, we're going to read this story problem. And remember, every time you hear a number, you need to circle that number. Maddie has 50 stickers. Jill gives Maddie 5 more stickers. Use the place value blocks to show how many stickers Maddie has now. Now, I know you already know the answer, but we're going to just do what we're asked to do. We're going to draw our longs, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and I'm going to add 10 babies on the end. And remember, we always go up. Buildings are built from the ground up, and we only want 5 in a row. And presto changeo, there we go. Let's add them together and count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. You've got it, 55. Oh, hello, Sophie. Thank you. You need a haircut. All right, we're going to turn the page and we're going to continue. Let's go to number 1. And I'm going to erase my board. And Sophie, you're going to have to stay out of the way. All right. Actually, I'm going to go up to the top. We're going to do the 21 plus 7 again that we just did with that other video. And we're going to do 21 plus 20. Now, I'm going to give you a little clue. When you look at these equations, I want your eagle eyes to be checking out if you're going to be adding by ones or if you are going to take the elevator and add by tens. Okay? Now, when I'm looking at 21 plus 7, what am I adding? Am I adding ones or do I want to add tens? Who haven't I called on yet today? Let's see. Jared. Am I going to be adding tens or ones? You are right. We are going to be adding ones. Now let's go to 21 plus 20. Am I going to be adding ones to the 21 or am I looking to add tens? What's your answer? Ones or tens? And I think I'm gonna call on Eleanor. Ding, 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 ding. And she said the right answer. We're gonna be adding tens. Okay. Now, do you think we can play this little game together? Let's go down to number 1. All right, here we go. And they have made models. So when you do this on your paper, I would like it if you did the models as well. The equation is 24 plus 4. Now, they already gave us the answer, didn't they? And we know it's 28. So I'm just going to put that there. But we're going to work through this problem together. Okay? Let's draw 24. And now we're going to add. Am I adding tens or am I adding ones? Faith, what do you think? You are right. We're going to be adding ones. So we need 4 babies on the end. I'm going to circle the ones and I'm going to count all of this together. Okay? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. And that's how we're going to arrive at that answer. Okay. If you would like to work ahead, you can stop the video. Whenever you want to stop and work on the problem, just hit pause and then you can come back to me and we'll figure out the answer together. All right, now we're on number 2. And the equation is 16 plus 30. Okay, I'm going to start with 16. Do I want to add ones to the 16, or am I going to be adding tens? Look at this. I see something very fun. Yes, 30 is a tens. Good job. Oh, I'm so proud of you, Emery. Good job. We're going to be adding tens. So let's draw the model first, okay? Let's draw 16. There's my 10. And we're going to draw 5 babies, and number 6 goes there. That is 16. Now, how am I going to add 30? What does 30 look like? Remember, it's going to be adding tens. All right, Daphne, what do you think? Oh, I love how you did that on your paper. I'm going to add 30 by drawing 3 longs. Okay, now remember, it was kind of goofy on the video because we have to make a circle around those numbers, but we have to make it look like a really weird circle. I don't want to add the ones, and I'm going to go up there, and my marker is really squeaky. All right, let's count up my tens. You ready? All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many tens? 4. I'm going to write it right there. And how many ones? Did I change the ones? No. So the one should still be 6, right? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to put the 6 in the ones column. And what do you know? We came up with the answer of 46. Just to be on the safe side, let's count them all, okay? 10, 20, 30, 40. Keep going, change gears, and count by ones. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Ding, 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 ding. And I heard Jersey yell out that answer. Good girl, Jersey. Boy, do I miss your smiling face today and every day. This has been a long week. All right, here we go. We're going to go down to number 3. Okay, here we go. Aren't you glad I brought my new markers home? It certainly helped to have new markers to use. All right, my next equation is 32 plus 20. Do you see something that will make this easier to add? Yeah, absolutely. Travis, thank you. It is going to be easier to add a 20. All right, now let's do our models, okay? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. Now let's do our model for 20. Now remember, 20 is not a ones. 20 is going to be how many tens? Kaylin, how many tens? Good girl, 2 tens. Let's draw 2 tens. Longs, longs, longs. I don't know, but I've been told tens are long and ones are small. I think I just said that wrong, didn't I? All right, we're going to count up all the tens and put our babies on the end. Who's with me? Okay, Saray, are you with me? Noelle, are you going to sing along? Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And I forgot to do my crucial circling. I don't want to do that. Ooh, that looks like an Xbox controller, doesn't it? All right. How many tens did I end up getting? 5. Oops, that's a little bit too low. I'm going to have to write it right here. 5 tens. And how many ones are left over on the end? 2. So 32 plus 20 is 52. Now, I know some of you are thinking about what we've done yesterday. Remember, yesterday we made a really long number line and we made hops for tens. The day before, we used the grid and we just went down the elevator. Today, we're just using the models. We're doing the same thing. We're just doing different strategies. Okay? Now, why don't we, since we have it already in front of us, let's count our tens and ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now add the babies on the end. 51, 52. And look at that. Exactly what we needed. 52. Good job. And I'm so glad. Oh, Wes, glad to have you on board today. Isaiah, I heard you answering the questions and I'm loving it. Allie Wiggle, I think you have giggled through math class today. Probably because you knew all the answers, right? I love you, sweetheart. And thank you for sending me those pictures of you. Kids, I have enjoyed so much everything that you've sent me. Wes, thank you for my lovely note that I got. And Mr. Nutter sends you his love. He loved that you included him on that mail. Okay, I think I put you on the right foot today. I need you to finish that page. The next one, 33 plus 6. 6. Is it a 10 or is it a 1? Ding, 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 ding. It is a 1. And then I want you to go to the next page. You're going to do the same things. Now remember, I do want you to do the models today. Yes, I know you can do these in your head because you are the smartest first graders I have ever met, but I still want you to do it the way our math book wants us to do it. Okay? If you would like to do the bottom, you may. And the back is just extra credit. You don't even have to do the back today. All right? Have a great Friday. I love you, and I will see you soon.